want dolls?
Excuse me. My deepest apologies, Leonard. We actually have the U12 assembly about to start. So, you're gonna have to go.
Miss Slingsby.
We acknowledge you are the original custodians of this land. You can have a back in 45 minutes, thank you.
Yeah, boy.
Good afternoon, students. Now, I'd like to start by addressing the elephant in the room. My man Tan is looking exceptionally. If you could please hold your applause at the end. Today, our U12s have a presentation for you. We're going to start with a video. Is Mr. Gavin out there? Mr. Gavin, could you come fix this problem? Let's fix this thing.
Here at St. Louis, we worked hard, but we played even harder. Don't be boys.
These dogs are gonna get it.
Mr. Bukowski, how have you been at paying attention? 20 odd years. What's your most memorable occasion? Mr. Kay, would that be paper party?
God, I just had my lunch.
Welcome parents to our prestigious centre of learning for College, year of our Lord 2001. Here we like to foster environmental learning across 2 campuses, which we never expect to change, at least as long as I, your principal, Dr. Hayward, remain here, which I intend to do till the end of time. Would any of you have any queries to query me with? Query away.
Jumpers, the green ones, will they be around for much longer or?
Oh, of course. Such traditions at our school we never seek to blemish. You'll always have your green garments to wear, as long as I am principal. Any further questions, parents?
Just regarding Year 12 lines, will we change skip to the front?
Oh, of course. We here at St. Leonard's College, Brighton and Cornish, seek to cater to the needs of all the student music. Thank you, Andy. Of all our students, but in particular, we like to focus upon the Year 12s.
The tape box, can we please have some 2001 party music?
Go ahead. And to answer your question, of course the Year 12 line will always exist. It will never infringe upon the rights of our senior students. Anyone else? Parents? Progenitors of our student body?
Well, our son Jimmy, he's
just hit puberty.
Just hit puberty, and
That's it.
we were wondering about laptops.
It's gotten a bit brownie.
We all, as you know, like to have a good time at St. Leonard's College. Laptops will always be available to cater to the needs of our younger students. Is that all, patrons and parents? Excellent work. Oh, well now I'd like to treat you to a presentation of our prestigious campaigners, as I once described the jewel in the crown. Here we have our drawing room, up to date, clean, sanitised.
yeah, sure.
And now I'd like to welcome some other parents who have been at school for some time who will be talking about the big experience. No, apparently. No, we're not doing that, apparently. Oh. 2011, the year I hope to see you all in. Goodbye.
We need some music, I think. It's now 2011. It's a good prestigious year for the party. Hey guys, just quiet down, please. We're about to have a school tour, and if you just get down by the school tour,
Boys and girls who have study break in a few weeks, if you want your 45 minutes off a day, I strongly suggest you go and study.
yeah, trade disappointed on guys, come on. Alright. Except for the first footy, I want to see you on the training ground tonight. Because, you know, you don't have time to study. Because I'm the coach of the first footy team, thanks very much. And now what we have here is the Year 11, so then it's house music. It's just house music, apparently. Singing shots, 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 shots. Here, shots, shots, shots. Everybody.
Thank you for that. That was conducted by an appropriately dressed Lucy Simons.
Now we have the methods skit. So, year 11, oh, this is wrong. Year 11 girls.
Daddy just texted me. Just saying, 2 hours later, I'm a warm, satisfied girl. Oh my god, guys, okay, so I have some news. It's official! It's official! Me and Sam are I organised the room as early as I really appreciate it if you came along, and so I think we should come. But are my shorts too short? What do you reckon? No? Do you reckon if I got Harry and John, you'd think I was Georgia and hook up with me?
It's just a party with his hands in the hands. Yeah.
Hey guys, do you ever think I'd party everyone? I should get like one more piercing? Or shave my hair a little bit more. But also guys, like, I pooed on my cat the other day. And do you reckon it's appropriate, like, just kind of if I go a little bit too far, if I got my flat piss?
And now we're going to have a short video. No, we're not. What are we doing?
We're going to have a short video right now.
Yeah, I think we're going.
Oh, I should have.
This skit clearly doesn't have an ending. So, yeah, we're going to have a short video. Is it ready?
Yeah, but who is the actor?
Academic career. I've often had people ask me, Stuart, what is the key to success?
Oh shit.
Now we're going to have a video. Please.
Extensive academic career. I've often had people ask me, Stuart, what is the key to success? I often tell them the key to success can be broken down into 3 simple steps. Step 1, buy a suit. Step 2, wear said suit. And step 3, I think it was Aristotle who was the best when he said that one who wears a suit is independent. Trigger object. I will now grant you an exclusive preview into what is the life of a student.
Yes, you know, a lot has changed in the next 10 years. You know, 2021, what a year. I'd like to welcome you all to the new Wesley campus in Brighton. Hello, parents.
Turn the flash on. Right, it's better with no flash. Is it? Yeah. It's a little bit goes darker. Just go forward a bit. No, hold it close. It's not taking time. Built-in flash auto.
Hello, welcome, parents.
I was wondering what sports do you like?
With our compulsory Saturday sport program, we offer a wide range: netball for the girls and rugby for boys.
Sadly, not footy.
I've been hearing wonderful things about it on campus at this part of school. Is this still around?
Other campus?
Yeah, that's right.
I don't know what you're talking about, sorry.
What about our son Tommy here?
He's really interested in the performing arts, you know, those kind of things.
Has anyone told you your son's gay?
Not everyone in the performing arts is gay.
Stuart, we've got another one. The arts, Stuart, the arts. Deal with him, Stuart!
So what subjects do you offer?
Here at Wesley, we have a wide range of subjects. We offer English literature. No, Wesley, right campus. We offer English literature, chemistry, specialist maths, math methods, and biology. That's all. Optional physics 3-4.
Could the Wesley students just go do work or something, like read a book, that's something constructive? Because you're just standing there and you don't look too good.
How you doing? I'm excited about school. There's no big switch anymore. Nothing to be excited about, thank you. Sorry.
Mr. Bob.
So, we have no material anymore, except for a song, and we do have material. We've got a speaker.
Boys and girls, I just wanted to have a few quick words before we wrap it all up. Well, I think this was a wonderful performance, and, how do I say this? It was extraordinary, yes. Okay, yeah, extraordinary.
God damn it, Courtney. Just a big head.
Can't find it. You're trying.
Can we have some dubstep, please? Because we've got a special person who wants to dance solo.
Sonny!
Thank you.
school, coach of the first footy. Don't forget that. Basically, have you ever wondered what I would sound like if I was German? Oh no, Mr. Miller, that's good. Yeah, probably should speak like this because he comes from Germany, yeah? Clearly not very good at stand-up. Mr. Muller also loves his French. You know, whenever he sees Antoine, always says, bonjour, croissant. In the corridors. Here you guys almost done. You know, I think Antoine really loves it because he says like, thank you or something. You know, I'm pretty sure I meant to love you because I'm Mr. Muller and I speak French. Thanks, Antoine. So, yeah, you guys are good. Sorry about that. Does it sound up? Yeah. Sound up?
Can't actually sing, but you know, give it a shot.
Let's go, cutie.
moving down to get here.
Yeah, there's actually nothing more, so you can go. Seriously.